Dromone are committed to constantly questioning the status quo and looking at delivering new products that can enhance the safety and productivity for our customers.
We're delighted to be here at Oldcastle, County Meath with Dromone Engineering. They're winners of the Safety Award for the established company. The danger is, while the tractor gets up to the speeds of 50 kilometres an hour, 40 kilometres an hour, the decoupling of the tractor and the trailer can lead to a catastrophic event and potentially life-changing for anyone involved in the accident.
The HAL system solves this problem by embedding sensors within the Pick-Up Hitch. These sensors send a signal to the operator in the cab, notifying him if the Pick-Up Hitch is not safely hitched and locked. This system is inherently safe. It only shows a positive signal when the Pick-Up Hitch is safely hitched and locked.
So we think this product in Enterprise Ireland has the ability to transform farm safety to ensure everyone comes home safe. It's applicable to 10,000 farmers potentially next year as Dromone push out 10,000 units.
This award means a lot to the team. First of all, it recognises the hard work done by the team, but also shows that the direction that we're taking in terms of higher value-added solutions is actually making a real impact.